Y'all know what to do. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And also subscribe if you are new to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I put a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty everybody, that was the video. Like I said in the beginning, come get this video to 50 likes. Yes we can, so smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe if you're new, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It really helps out with the channel. And also comment shout out number for the comment, because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Team Boruto from the Naruto series. Hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I think it might be one of my favorites that I've made so far. And I really love the colors, how the colors came out super vibrant, and I really love the left eye, the Jogan, how it came out with the glowing effect. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlist in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters I've drawn before they may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. And I also have a Boruto and Naruto drawing playlist there, so check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.